Hi Budia and friends, it's me again. I am Dewi Wahyuni from Elephant Language. And this video, I will do a song analysis. So, here we go.
Don't cry, snowman, not in front of me. Who'll get your tears if you can't catch me, darling? If you can't catch me, darling. Don't cry, snowman, don't leave me this way. A bottle of water can't hold me close, baby. Can't hold me close, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, oh, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me. My snowman and me, baby.
This song titled Snowman. It is sung by Sia. So, Sia is a singer from Australia, which consists of one member. There are Sia. This song is released at November 9, 2017, which turned out to be the song 5 years ago. And the genre of the song is Christmas, pop, and jazz. I think within Sia confessing her romantic feeling to a snowman. However, the latest snowman is really a metaphor for her real lover. Many figurative language explanation a bottle of water can help me cross. Baby, you are my home for all seasons. Yes, live at the North Pole and live happily. The verse for metaphor is a puddle of water can hold me close, baby. Can hold me close, baby. The scorn for similar is cause I'm Mr. No, bill that will be phrasing. The 3 for hyperbole is I love you forever, we will have some fun. The 4 for idiom is without legs to run honey. The 5 for personification is my snowman and me. I will sing the chorus of the song. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow, till that will freezing. You are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I'll love you forever, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's head the North Pole and live happily. Please don't rain no trees, no, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me. My snowman and me, baby. So that's it for me. Thank you Budia and friends for watching of you. Enjoy video and happiness day.